And welcome back to another AV Guy episode. What's up, everybody? In today's video, I bought the world's most expensive, all the way down to the world's cheapest first class and business class amenity kits. Stick around and stay tuned to see the world's most expensive one. Okay, so now starting with the first one. This is American Airlines business class and premium economy. It's "This is ground" is what it says on it. So it's "This is ground." Okay, it's a nice leather pouch. Now we've got a toothbrush that fell out, a pen, just a pen that says Aviator. So this is some pretty basic stuff so far, at least. Some tissues right here, socks, and an eye mask, pretty basic eye mask. Oh, and then earplugs. And then that's all for that. I was kind of expecting more out of you, American. But next time, maybe if we review their flagship first, maybe it will be a little bit better. But let's go on to the next best one. So this is going to be our United Airlines Away amenity kit. It looks like an Away suitcase. They partnered with Away, the suitcase company, to make this. So it's really cool. I like it a lot. Let's open it up. Bam. Just exploded that seal. Wow. It looks fancy inside. Look, it already looks fancier than here. We've got our First Star's pen, which is all the way on there. Oh, this is so much more padded. It's really padded, cool. That says airplane mode, sleeping mask. Okay, that just sounded a little weird, but that's what it says on it. And then earplugs right here in this nice little paper case, I guess. And then we got a toothbrush and toothpaste in here. Wait. What's this? It's about the toothbrush. I thought it was going to be a coupon code that I was going to give away to you guys. Later in the video, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So, here is some nice tissue, a little tissue thing. Socks. Some nice socks. They feel kind of comfortable. They feel even more comfortable. And then this facial cleansing cloth, face cream, lip balm, and hand cream, all inside of this little package right here. It's made by Sunday Riley. So, I guess shout out to them. Never heard of them before. And then here's the nice bag. It looks just like an Away bag. It says Away and everything, and then it has the Polaris logo. So that's really cool. Thanks for that one. Now, on to the next best one. That's going to be our British Airways amenity kit. It's by the White Company, right here. And it's made of this really nice leather pouch. And now I'm going to open it up. Oh. So, cut this part out, editor. Cut this part out, please. Cut, take two. There we go. Okay, we had to break that seal there. But finally got it opened. It was brand new and unopened. Earplugs like we've seen in all of them so far. Oh, wow. This is definitely the best eye mask. By far. Oh, that feels so nice. That's definitely the best ones by far. And then these nice socks right here. So those are going to go right there. And then we've got the White Company. It has all their fancy stuff. Of course, they make stuff that's white. And then it's just saying luxury stuff. See? Right here. There's a picture of some of the stuff they made if you've never heard of them before. And then there's the White Company lip balm, which I'm not going to be using because that's not for me. White Company Gentle Moisturizer. And then White Company Relax Lavender sage, and peppermint pulse point. So I think you like rub it in your neck or something probably. I don't know. But that's what that is. And so then we have that. And then we have a pen. And finally, last but not least, we got this toothbrush and a little thing of Colgate toothpaste here. So that's pretty cool. That's the British Airways amenity kit. Now we're getting up there. We're to our final 2 amenity kits. Now, make sure you guys hit the subscribe and like button there because I really worked hard and spent a ton of money on this video. So I hope you guys like it. And at the end of the video, I'm going to be announcing a big giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned, folks. Now we have the the To Me amenity kit from Delta Airlines. It has the To Me logo nice right here.
This video is sponsored by Insta360. Insta360 is the #1 camera on the platform. In fact, I use it in my videos. Insta360 literally makes it have a 360-degree view of your video, and you can see it from all angles and edit it later. Don't worry about doing all the angling and everything. Now, do it in the post-editing process super easily with the Insta360 app. Plus, using my link, you will get a free selfie stick that's invisible. The Insta360 software takes it out, and it looks like it's a drone shot, but you don't have to have a drone to get this amazing shot. Use my deal today. You get the $50 value selfie stick and a protection case for free, included with your purchase, using the link down below in the description. Thank you guys so much, and thank you for Insta360 for sponsoring today's video.
Okay, it has the To Me logo right here. Let's open it up. It's a very nice hard shell case, just like the Away case. This is now the reason why this one is there's a big reason why this one is why the British Airways one. This beats the British Airways one. I'll show you in 1 second. You got a eye mask first. Now this eye mask sells for, oh no. So apparently there was an issue with the eye mask and it got sewn together somehow. Oh, maybe that was on purpose. I think that was actually on purpose. Here's the eye mask. It's pretty comfortable. Not quite as comfortable as that British Airways one, I do have to say. That British Airways one just is hard to beat. And then you got some socks, like all of the amenity kits. Oh, this is definitely the most gracious amount of toothpaste I've got by far so far. Crest toothpaste. And a toothbrush. We've got tissue, Delta branded tissues. We've got another, now this is the cool part. I'm going to blur out the code. I'm going to blur out the code right here. So you can't see that code, haha. But you can see this part, which is basically coupon to take it into the store. And they will monogram it for absolutely free of charge. And then sew it into here. They'll unsew the other piece and they'll sew in the new piece. That's really awesome. So I think that's really cool. And we're gonna I'll keep you guys updated. So that's, again, make sure you stay subscribed. Here is mouthwash. I have not seen mouthwash in any of these yet. This is the first one to have mouthwash. So that's good. You've got some Quiet Please branded earplugs, and they even tell you how to use the earplugs on the back, which is kind of funny. And then you have Kiehl's, some Kiehl's lotions and stuff right here, which is cool. And then a little thing of hand sanitizer, just a nice little thing, nice little touch at the end. And that's that for that one. But the reason why that one was special was just because of that monogram one. That's what made it a little bit better than the White Company one from British Airways. But now for our final one, Qatar Airways, the best rated on the internet. But first, let's read some of the reviews about the Qatar Airways amenity kit. Okay, now you know about what it sounds like and what people are saying. Let's open it up. Here it is right here. I'm going to use... have my editor put the right pronunciation of the word up right here, so you pronounce it like this. Okay, yeah, that's definitely how you pronounce it. Thank you, editor, for editing that in. Here we go. We got a bag. It has a Qatar Airways logo. Plus, oh, wow. This is aftershave cream. Oh, I forgot to mention. These are men's. They have ones for men's and women. So this is like the first like one that it has stuff that matters. So this is pretty awesome. It is made by this company right here. That again, the editor's gonna have to put in how you pronounce that. But then let's look up how much it costs, because I bet you this thing costs a lot. Oh my! It costs $75 for this thing. My goodness. Well, I told you guys I spent a lot on this video, and I really did. And then let's open up the next package, because floss, nice. Oh, look at this eye mask. Oh, so relaxing. Oh, yeah, we have to finish the video. And then you got some socks. You've got this chapstick. And then last but not least, you've got some manly cologne right here. This thing is real glass. That's real glass there. This is real cologne, and it costs a lot of money. And so yeah, this thing costs $75 for the same size. So that means just two of the things in there are worth $150 total. Let's smell it. Hold on. It smells so manly. I'm gonna edit out this piece. But anyways, that was it.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to download the AveGeek merch app. Link in the description. Download it today. Get 20% off your merch, plus free shipping. There's no better deal than that. Download the app today. It's absolutely free. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you watch the video right up here, and make sure you subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye for now.